So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add your AirTag to Life360. Now before even starting, there's some sort of a clarification because you can't really directly add an Apple AirTag to your Life360 because your AirTag is restricted to the Find My iPhone app that you get within your device. Now, once we have that clarified, you can use some different workarounds to get the same effect. So you can use tile instead. So you can choose to add that tile tracker, which can integrate natively inside the Life360 app so your whole circle can view items. So in this case, you can choose your Life360, go to open up certain items, and you can find stuff like you can put tiles on important things like keys, wallets, and bikes to see them on a Life360 app. So your AirTag won't be there, but you can use that as a tile tracker, which can be really easily integrated. And then you can link tile in Life360. As I mentioned here, you can tap the keys icon and select that add an item and choose the option, yep, link my tile account to sync your devices on there. So your AirTag will essentially be used like that. So you can connect your tile trackers and it's going to be quite simple from that point to add those things and really have them be linked together. So that's how you can set up your workaround to get your essentially the same effects as an AirTag. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other things you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.